When our body's immunity is weak, microorganisms invade our body, making us ill and down with diseases. Dr. Paul Ehrlich, a German scientist, was the first to coin the term immune milk. The theory suggests that during the period of lactation, an infant gains antibodies from her mother's milk, therefore protecting the infant from harmful pathogen and viruses. As the infant grows, her body will develop its own immune system against diseases. However, stress, an unhealthy lifestyle and dietary habits, environmental pollution and air pollution have adverse impact on our health. They deplete our immune system, making us vulnerable to diseases. Therefore, as we grow older, we actually need more supplements than when we were young. And Ralph Stolle was the person who understood this. Based on the theory by Dr. Paul Ehrlich and backed by advanced research and development, he developed Stolle milk powder.
Hi, I'm the Stolle dairy cow. Different from other dairy cows, the milk which I produce is more nutritious, enriched with 26 types of active antibodies and 3 functional factors. This is wholesome goodness of Stolle milk powder. The normal milk powder that you will find in the market is enriched with immunoglobulin that helps to develop immunity against maladies related to cattle only. It is therefore ineffective to enhance your overall body immunity. So, in order to strengthen your body immunity against maladies affected by humans, milk which you consume must undergo a patented technique called the hyper-immunization process. So, what is the hyper-immunization process? We will come to it later.
When you drink Stolle milk powder, the 26 types of antibodies will form a protective layer in your mouth, esophagus, stomach and intestines to prevent pathogen infection. It also strengthens our body's immunity against 26 types of pathogens to revitalize and reactivate the body's immune system, giving you the round-the-clock defense system. That's not all. The active antibodies helps to remove pathogens in the stomach and intestines, leaving only friendly pathogen that is good for our health. It also helps in digestion and improves absorption of nutrients. It retards aging and helps to prevent chronic diseases and revitalizes the body so that you can always stay healthy, fresh and active.
Stolle milk powder is also fortified with 3 functional factors.
The first functional factor is the anti-inflammatory factor. Stolle milk powder is naturally fortified with an anti-inflammatory factor to soothe redness, swelling, inflammation and sores without any side effects. Medical research in the United States and New Zealand have found that the anti-inflammatory factor is effective in soothing pain and stiffness caused by arthritis. Stolle milk powder can also be applied onto the skin to relieve skin irritation. The second functional factor is the anti-atherosclerosis factor. The anti-atherosclerosis factor lowers the blood cholesterol and regulates blood pressure. It reduces low-density lipoprotein or LDL, a type of bad cholesterol that causes heart disease. On the other hand, it increases high-density lipoprotein or HDL, a good cholesterol in the body. This indirectly reduces our risk of having high cholesterol, high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke and cardiovascular disease. And the third functional factor is the macrophage activation factor. The macrophage activation factor is the defense inventory in our immune system. Like white blood cells, macrophage helps to protect the body from infection by attacking the pathogen and virus. It also helps to eliminate dead cells and mutated cells from our body. Activated macrophage cleanses the lungs and improves our body immunity.
All these wholesome functional factors are not artificially added. They are all natural and produced by secretion in cow's milk.
Stolle milk powder is the product of over 40 years of intensive clinical experiments, research and development. It is produced under a pollution-free environment in New Zealand with state-of-the-art technology. It has passed the most stringent laboratory tests. Clinical experiments in Ohio, the United States, showed that Stolle milk powder has an overall efficacy rate of up to 73.3% against diseases without any side effects. Above all, Stolle milk powder is accredited in 27 countries around the world with more than 250 patent certificates of 10 major patent rights. Anti-hypertension, anti-inflammatory, anti-atherosclerosis, prevention and treatment of rheumatoid arthritis, gastrointestinal protection, protects lungs, prevents tooth decay, deodorizes body odor, retards aging, and last but not least, patented during the manufacturing process, the hyperimmunization process.
You must be wondering, it sounds great, but is it true? Well, the key to the wholesome goodness of Stolle milk powder lies in the production process. You must be eager to find out. Let's go to New Zealand now.
Recognized by the New Zealand Dairy Board and approved by health organizations around the world, Stolle milk is produced from only selected and healthy cows from pollution-free dairy farms in New Zealand. The cows graze freely in the green pasture. No chemical additives or hormones are used. The farms are audited twice a year. Only cows and farms that meet the highest standards are allowed to produce Stolle milk powder. In order to produce 26-in-1 polyvalent vaccine, scientists in laboratories carefully cultivate 26 types of pathogen most commonly contracted by humans. The pathogens are then sterilized by using the heat-killed method to produce vaccine. The vaccine of these pathogens are injected intramuscularly into the cows every 2 weeks to develop the desired antibodies. This process is known as the hyperimmunization process. The milk is only collected when the serum antibody titer of the cows reaches its highest level. After milking, the milk is tested again for its antibody and nutritional content. It is then sent to established dairy plants to remove its fat. After the fat removal process, the skimmed immune milk is powdered using a low-temperature spray drying method. Before sending it for packaging, Stolle milk powder is tested using the ELISA test to determine its total amount of IgG and to measure specific antibodies. Finally, the product is audited for quality inspection before export.
Specially formulated for nutritional support, Stolle milk powder is an all-natural health supplement that has helped people around the world to meet their nutritional needs. Over 40 years of R&D and clinical experiments have proven its efficacy without any side effects. Let's see the improvement of those who have experienced the wholesome goodness of Stolle milk powder.
She is nearly 60 years old and a Chinese practitioner. After suffering from hypertension and pre-menopause problems for 15 years, she started taking Stolle milk and Curvits. Now her life is back to normal and she has full confidence in Stolle milk and Curvits. After drinking Stolle milk, Mr. Heng is now free from prostatitis. Now he lives a more active and colorful life, free from the worries of sickness. He has also introduced Stolle milk to other members of his family. Madam Ong has spent a lot of money treating her gout and rheumatoid arthritis, but without much improvement. After consuming Stolle milk, her health problems have improved. Stolle milk has given her the freedom to live. It's not a waste trying Stolle milk because it has helped him remedy his arthritis, which he has been suffering from for 18 years. Stolle milk has also helped alleviate his daughter's dysmenorrhea and relieved his son's sensitive nose. All it took was 1 month to recover. Mr. Chen has to take different types of medicine daily in order to control his rheumatoid arthritis, hypertension and diabetes mellitus. At first, he drank Stolle milk only to strengthen his body, especially after going through bone surgery. Fortunately, all his health conditions improved after drinking Stolle milk. Now his intake of medicine has been reduced with an obvious improvement to his overall health. Madam Wong has been suffering from asthma since she was young. Her asthma worsened during the pregnancy of her second child. Facing difficulty going to hospital and practicing certain taboos helped open her mind to Stolle milk. In only 6 months, she was almost free from asthma and was able to try food she could not eat before. Madam Aziza suffered from asthma, hypertension and sinus problems. Because of this, she experienced difficulty doing her routine daily work. After consuming Stolle milk, her life changed. Not only did her health improve, but she began looking younger than her age. Every day he had to be injected with insulin to control his blood glucose and take medicine for his hypertension. Fortunately, after consuming Stolle milk, there was no need for injections and any medicine. Stolle milk contributed to improving his health conditions. These testimonies clearly show that Lanfa products are not only effective but highly beneficial to mankind. Wait no more. Use Lanfa products to protect the health of your family.
To enjoy the wholesome goodness of Stolle milk, we have to use the right preparation method. Use cold or warm water only with temperatures of not more than 50 degrees Celsius. Add Stolle milk powder into water and stir thoroughly and evenly. You can also add cocoa, oats, honey or breakfast cereal, but do not mix acidic or alkaline drinks with Stolle milk. Stolle milk is suitable for anyone above 1 year of age. To enjoy optimum results, regular and adequate intake is required. The recommended intake is 1 to 2 grams of Stolle milk powder for every kilogram of your body weight. Regular consumption can significantly improve and strengthen your body's immune system. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. What's more, based on the same theory and the cutting-edge biotechnology isolation method, the Stolle R&D Center in the United States has extracted WPI+, the active concentrate in Stolle milk, to give you Stolle WPI Plus toothpaste, a paste suitable for the whole family. Stolle WPI Plus toothpaste has been awarded 2 patent rights: patent for tooth decay prevention and patent for anti-inflammatory factor. Stolle WPI Plus toothpaste is enriched with 3 active factors. Streptococcus mutans antibody neutralizes Streptococcus mutans in the mouth that causes tooth decay. Oligosaccharide prevents bacterial growth on the surface of teeth. Natural anti-inflammatory factor helps to prevent and relieve discomfort caused by periodontal diseases or other inflammations in the mouth. Regular use of Stolle WPI Plus toothpaste can help to prevent dental plaque, tooth decay, bad breath, and any other disease related to teeth and gums. It relieves discomfort caused by periodontal diseases or inflammations in the mouth. Stolle WPI Plus toothpaste, protecting you and your family for healthy teeth and gums, and takes care of the oral hygiene of your mouth, giving you fresher breath, a better smile. According to medical research, ailments and aging are caused by excessive free radicals in the body, which are not neutralized or eliminated. Kervit's curcumin complex is a unique and powerful antioxidant. It is rich in vitamin A, E and curcumin essence with 99% purity. Therefore, it is effective in removing free radicals from the body and reducing the risk of internal inflammation. It lowers blood cholesterol and helps to excrete toxins and waste from the body. It reduces the chances of cell mutation, lowering your risk of getting cancer. Kervit's is tasty and easy to prepare. It inhibits oxidation, controls and regulates electrolytes in our body. It provides nutrients and restores energy. A new generation of refreshing, energetic drink that revitalizes and rejuvenates your body.
In order to fulfill the modern needs of people everywhere, Stolle Essential has been introduced, especially for individuals allergic to dairy products, especially milk powder. Stolle Essential is a lactose-free product meant for people suffering from a lactose intolerance problem, diabetes mellitus and kidney problems. Stolle Essential is a highly nutritional product manufactured from Stolle skim milk. It has a very low lactose level and a more natural flavor. Stolle Essential is manufactured in New Zealand. Stolle skim milk is processed by membrane filtration to remove lactose and to make the concentration of special ingredients containing immunoglobulins, which is the finished product known as Stolle Essential. Stolle Essential and Stolle milk provide similar health benefits. In summary, Stolle Essential aids in muscle mass and good health. Antibodies in Stolle Essential helps to strengthen the body in the fight against diseases. For double effectiveness, Stolle Essential can be mixed together with Stolle milk or Kervits, but the temperature of the water must be below 50 degrees Celsius. Alternatively, for busy travelers or people on the go, Stolle Essential powder may be taken orally by using either warm water or cold water. For those who do not prefer the taste and smell of milk, Stolle Essential is the best alternative choice for you. The company also provides useful product information to assist distributors with their sales.
Landfar mobile stockists are located nationwide to serve you better. For further inquiries, call our toll-free line at 1-800-880-360 during this hours. Our friendly and well-trained nutritionists are ready to answer your inquiries. Prevention is always better than cure. So always ask for Landfar products for a healthy lifestyle ahead. Stay healthy, be happy. Share this with your friends. At Landfar, your health is our lifelong business.